Hello, my friends. Welcome to the live stream. Okay, testing. One, two, three, testing. Okay, it's working fine. Hello, Hazel. Nice to see you today. You're the first one. So punctual. Okay, later on I will scan through our positions and then I want to see whether we need to manage them or not, okay? Wow, the affirm went up so much. Oh, no. It's okay. It's still roughly about the same. How's your ML grinding? Good or not? SPG. Is Rick here already? I think Rick is not here. Like. No, scolded a lot of people. Okay. Live stream chat. Oh, okay. Live stream chat. Wait, let's go to SPG and take a look. Oh, he's looking for something like a ascending triangle, but then I don't think this is a ascending triangle. Yeah, he's looking for something like that, like over here, and then possible if you draw something like that, then it looks something like an ascending triangle, but I don't think this is ascending triangle though. Yeah, it didn't invalidate lah, can say, but then the trend line is not that beautiful. Yeah, because this part is actually lower than this. I wouldn't advise shorting at the moment. I think it's better, you wait for a while and see what the market does first. Yeah, for me, I'm also, more neutral to bearish, but then I need a valid setup. For AMD, I don't have one. No, I'm out already, Luis. Long time already, I'm out. Now I'm more interested in the short for Tesla. Okay. Sophie is not bad though. I like it. Okay, that one has to do with LOA lah. So only the students they know the analysis of Tesla, how it will turn out. How about NVIDIA? NVIDIA, I'm also not too sure though. Yeah, I need more data. I need at least later on, after market open, then I will see how. But as of right now, NVIDIA, I don't have a setup. ADP. Okay, Hood also got no confirmation. DDOG going down quite nicely, but then earnings tomorrow when market open. Airbnb, nope. MPC. Not done yet. APA is very wasted. Oh no, invalidated already. Okay, so okay. If not, there's earnings either today or tomorrow after market close. Open still going down on, oh, got earnings. Miss earnings and starts going down. Wing also coming down. Yes, APA invalidated already. It's not a triangle anymore. Invalidated, right? I didn't see wrongly, right? Let me double check. Yeah, correct. Invalidated already. It's no longer a triangle. Failed our criteria. I just know where was I forget Liao. And then EMVST also going down. CLOV, nothing. Celsius. Oh, dropping quite nicely, But then same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow, right? Yes, tomorrow after when market open, there's earnings. Okay. China stocks. Let's see. HSI is still looking very nice though. By 2, not bad. Baba, not bad. JD also looks nice. Photo also looks nice. IWM, okay. SMH coming down. 4 hours. Nifty, nothing. Bitcoin still doesn't look done. ETH as well. Coin. Oh, coin dump a lot. Okay. MSTR also dump a lot. SPY. Okay lah, 4 more minutes until market open. Tesla still the same. AMD, nothing much. NVIDIA also nothing much. Live chat. Oh, Ken. NXPI. Let me see. And short. It actually looks not bad though. But then you want to save some margin or not? I think there are better trades though. You can look at Tesla. You can look at Palantir. They are more definitely move faster than NXPI. I think. Yeah, because for me just now I check every day. I ran out of margin. Like 够钟 liao. Can only buy, cannot short anymore. So maybe later on I will manage one and then I might, go and short some other things instead. So fast though. It's not enough. That's the downside of Momo. Momo gives you very, very little margin. If interactive broker, the margin still not bad. You have a lot. Like AVGO also looks pretty good. QCOM getting there already. TSM solid. PLTR something for you to consider. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, possibly. Maybe I will remove one of the trade and then I'll go and find some other things. Disney after earnings also coming down. Oh, Shopify is strong. Yes, Snow looks good. Snow looks good. Yes. It's very, very nice. I like it. Consumer defenses are consumer defensive, they are strong though. They are going up, but then the rest are all like mostly all coming down. KO Pepsi. Okay, how many more minutes? 1 minute plus until market open. CRM. Daily. Okay, I think need to let CRM develop a little bit more. Then after that, we can definitely take a look. Oh, I'm on the 4-hour chart, okay. Okay, let's see how SPY doing. Okay, today we got a gap up. Possibly coming back to fill the gap, and then not too sure what will happen after that though. Okay, Tesla alarm triggered. Okay, nothing here. Okay, let's look at SPY. See how is SPY doing first. Okay, market is officially open. Come, let's go. It's not much movement. QQQ also not much movement. Go back to SPY. Oi, oi, coming down. Okay, is TSM still doing well? Okay, SPY coming down. I think I need to change new glasses already. I start to feel that my right eye cannot see properly though. My god. How was Tesla doing? The alarm kit that getting triggered. Okay, I think I need to set slightly a little bit lower. Yeah, because this week, right, we also don't have any economic events. The market is moving a little bit slow though. 2 minutes already, but then doesn't look like there's much movement. Like Pretty flat. Okay, Apple suddenly very strong, huh? Oh, iPhone 17 series is coming out. Okay. 17. 9th of September. So for all of you, who are interested in iPhone, time to change another one. Okay, Netflix showing some sign of recovery. Ucom, still nothing. Huh, Palantir still going up. CrowdStrike. Oh, which one is lower? Okay, this is lower. Disney still dumping. Shopify still going up. Roku, let's see 4 hours. Not too sure what is it doing. OXY going up. CVX also going up. That means all the oil stocks are going up. HPE Hey, my god. Damn. What happened? Why suddenly like that? Just now I was looking. It was very nice though. Is there earnings? Why there's earnings over here? No leh. Oh, okay. Mine also stop up there. Okay, can. I will update for HPE. Just now was so nice though. A moment ago only. What? Okay, the China stocks are going up. Let me see. PDD. Okay, this is coming down. JD still okay. New going up a little bit. Okay, SPY is still not going anywhere. It's still, just chopping around the same area. Tesla still going up. How come? What happened? Oh, okay, understood. AMD AMD I don't have a setup there, bro. I also don't know whether I should buy or short. I don't have a setup. Why? What happened to you? Are you inside AMD? Do you speculate the earnings? Okay, Magnificent 7. Looks like a lot of them have more strength than weakness though. Oracle. Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, usually, for earnings, it's really unpredictable. By the time you see it, it's too late now. That's why normally for myself, unless, I'm doing long-term investment, I don't mind holding over earnings. But usually for trading, I tend to book most of my profits first. Then after, I will just leave a very small amount for it to run for earnings. Provided I have very, very nice profit already. I have a lot of profit. I can tank at least 10% in either direction. I might consider. If not, usually I will just close out everything before earnings. So far, how's our positions? Okay, not bad, not bad. Things are looking quite nice. Okay, that means I got one extra margin now. Hehehe. Let's find something. Yes, Tesla, there's no confirmation for me also. I won't be shorting right now. I will still wait. I want to see more confirmation before I take the trade. Really, my eyes are... My right eye is getting more blurry. My god. I think I look at computer for too long. I need to go and get new glasses. AMAT, okay. Actually, AMAT also looks quite good. Oh, no, 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 no. Earnings next Thursday. Still got a little bit of time. Just a tiny bit. MU looking great. Nope. CrowdStrike, nothing. Oh, this Disney really can move. Really can move. I love Disney a lot though. This stock, every single time after earnings, it moves like crazy that time. Super duper crazy. Uh, Hello, Potato. Nice to see you. How are you, my friend? Consumer defenses are super duper strong. Okay, I will go and check our... Okay, PPL, can... Yeah, I wanted to... Oh my god. Oh, OKE, I forgot to put alarm. Yes, Hazel, you are under the premium version. No, 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 don't short this, okay? PPL is dangerous, it's dangerous, I would rather this stock you look for longs. I think long will be better. Yeah, try not to short it, okay? Oh, okay, okay. Can... no, 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 no. Is it correct? Correct one, right? Yes, it's correct this time round. You want to short it. I think you can do a very small size. It beats earnings though. The earnings is... Oh, Monday. Okay, okay. Monday, but no... Yeah, I think you want to wait for a little bit. I think You wait for a little bit first. Yup. I think your price is not bad, not bad. Yeah, wait for a little bit. Don't go in right now because it actually beats earnings. So possibly can recover quite fast. Okay, I will scan through those stocks, that we are that we are interested in. Trade setups. Okay, I'll go through them quickly so we can see whether any opportunity or not. Okay, Snoo still need to wait. PM still need to wait. Affirm. I think Affirm is gone already. QCOM. Okay. U TRW HP gone liao. JPM. Okay, still need to wait. Really need to wait. How is SPY doing? Okay. I have no idea, my friends. Today market is slow, extremely slow though. 15 minutes already, no movement. 15 minutes, no movement, my friends. Time to ML. Yeah, but I think partly also after the gap up liao, It's not filling the gap. It's also not going anywhere. Hazel wants to make your 8,000 BP, huh? Okay lah, guys. I make. Oh, you make already, ah? Wow, so fast. That's very fast. Today is like, my God, Wednesday only. Oracle looks very nice. I like it. Okay, I will add on to the list. Yeah, I think some of it we need to cancel. Oi, no. Okay, I will delete HPE. So this is number 13. AVGO also looks pretty good. Yeah, guys, I have a plan for my own TikTok profile or my own, social media profile. I will start posting videos again. But I think I'm going to do something a little bit more different. So maybe every 2 days or something, I will talk about different stocks. Then you all can comment, and then if any stocks that you want me to analyze for you, can put down in a comment. So I will keep repeating this process. Maybe every 2 days, I will do one video. So come and support me, okay? Thank you. I need to hit my 1,000 followers soon, so that I can save everything as highlights or stories. I'm not too sure what's the term. So whenever I post stories or that, it can be saved down. See, I'm still in Palantir. Nothing to worry. Just let it be. Okay, our TSM is pulling back a little, which is pretty normal. It dropped down quite a fair bit already. Well, yesterday there was a period of time, suddenly I think we are up about like 2% plus though. It was amazing. Then before I go to bed, I go and take a look again. Wait, why that? 2% plus become like 1% or 0.5% only. Should have just closed everything, huh? And today, we try to find again. Disney. I love it, man. I love Disney so much. Disney is fantastic that type. Disney gave me a lot of profits. It moves super duper fast. Fantastic, man. Yeah, I think I want to monitor Disney a little bit. If I get some opportunity, I might go for short. MRK, nothing. Coca-Cola. Oh, Coca-Cola in this range since April. My god. Internally here looks good though. Let me see. It's actually not bad. 15 minutes also looks good. Okay, 1 hour again. Pepsi. Nope, BAC, nothing. CRM, possibly. CRM, we can take a very, very good trade. ACN. Oh, this ACN dumb a lot. And when's the next earnings? Okay, next month. Still long time ago. Long time to reach there. ACN. Is there any bad news regarding this stock? How come, drop so much? Nothing. Cisco. Earnings coming next Wednesday. PM. Pika. Thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. Hazel. Oh, Hazel, you write something. Okay. I just wanted to ask you. I think you can do a very, very small size, I think you can do a small size. Yeah, I think it's quite possibly though. It's really, really quite nice. Let me see. I got enough margin or not. Wait. Yeah, I can, but then I won't be able to buy a lot. The margin like left with just a tiny bit only. Yeah, Hazel, I think you can go ahead. I think I will leave it. It's going down quite fast. How about AMAT? AMAT. Yeah, you can choose either one. AMAT or if not, wait. AMAT, when is the earnings? Okay, next Thursday. QCOM finish earnings already. It looks good. It looks good. I think you can. Just go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. It looks fantastic. Because I really only left with just a tiny bit though. Now I buy also like, don't know got meaning or not. Yes, Microsoft. Yes, but yeah, it's also looking good. It's also looking good. Good job, Potato. You're getting a lot better though. You'll be a pro in the next 1 or 2 months already, I think so. Fantastic, man. The trades that you find are really, really good. They are so good that, the moment you send me, I take it. And good job, brother. Really, really good job. Yeah, I think you also, you have a very, very keen eye every single time. Sometimes, when I want to take trades and then you tell me, hey, got earnings. Oh, that one like really saved my life, though. Yeah, I'm not too sure because is it my computer starts to be quite laggy whenever I start live streaming. And then the earnings, the icon doesn't come out. Because a lot of times I will definitely go and take a look whether there's earnings or not. I'm not too sure whether did I really miss it or because the icon just doesn't appear. But really, thank you so much, man. Yes, you saved our ass. The last one was what? What stock was that? I remember the first one was Netflix, and then there was one more. Oh, Upstart. Upstart. If I'm not wrong, it's Upstart, right? So how did Upstart perform? Let's see. For you see, you saved our ass again. Upstart, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, you save us again. If not, this one we take a loss for nothing. Fuyo, this dumb. Spike up and down. By the time you react to it, it's already down here. The stock is already right down here. It's painful though. Yeah, this was my mistake. I told you like maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I did a really stupid mistake. It was I forever I remember it's on SE. It was that trade that wow, because of earnings, right? Wow, I think I down roughly at least about 7-8% just because of one trade. I was in very good profit, but then I didn't realize there was earnings, so I just continued, just go and hold it. Then the next day when I opened my account, that's GG. From quite a lot of profit, I think at least I make 2 to 3%, at least around there already. Then after earnings, negative 7 to 8%. I got no choice. I go and exit everything. Lucky I exit. Yeah, so guys, whenever we have positions, so that must keep a lookout also to see whether we have earnings or not. Yeah, but after this week, everything will be quite calm. The earnings season is over already, but there will still be stock, that randomly just have earnings the following week. So those small names that we are trading have to be a little bit more mindful also. But those big names, most of them they have already finished. They will be finished by this week. Yeah, I think if you didn't tell me, then the next day if I didn't see it also, that's it. GG, bye bye. In my entire trading career, I met this thing a few times already. It's always because I never go and check. If not, I totally forgotten about it. I just leave the position there. But the most memorable one for me, it was 2 to 3 years ago. on SE. That one I will not forever not forget, man. Because a lot of them, after earnings, it performed pretty well. If not, it just spike up and down and doesn't go anywhere. But the SE that trade was really, really painful because of one trade. I think that month I didn't make a single cent at all. Hazel, you still looking at any instrument or not? Oh, bro, over here I trade mostly the US stocks and then a little bit of cryptocurrencies. But my crypto is mainly just Bitcoin. Yeah, so here I do from day trading, swing trading, position trading to investments. So I do every single sort of trading style. If market is not performing well in the next few weeks, time to load up on investments. Hey, by the way, guys, if you are using UOB, right? I just found out today only. UOB is offering no FX fee for changing from SGD to USD. So if you all have UOB account, go and change your money. The rates is fantastic though. I go in Google, right? It's exactly the same rates as what Google shows you. No FX fee, no fees at all. And right now, I think the exchange rate is about 1.29. Not too bad, not too bad. So without the fees, right, you are somehow changing like maybe 1.28 around there. Today a bit tired. Can, no problem, no problem. You play too much Mobile Legend, is it? Okay, WYNN, okay, PPL, okay, NXPI. Oh, drop down quite fast, eh? QCOM, okay, nice. Yeah, sometimes I also notice that, sometimes I'm also drained. I just don't feel like doing anything that day. And then after I go and play game, right, I play for maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. Then 2 to 3 hours later, I come out like shake already. The whole day, like no more energy. Okay lah, so far really don't have like really fantastic setups though. Yeah, every night after live stream, I play game with you guys. After that, I'm so tired. I'm like, there's a few days I knock down on my sofa. Now after finishing already, I close my phone. Then I just reply to a few messages. After that, I knock down. Hey, looks good. Looks good. Chewy looks good. Chewy. Let me see. Wow, bro. Fantastic, man. Good job, lah, brother. Okay, let me see. I try to identify. Okay, I can see that you are looking at more of the last part on the 1 hour time frame. Good job, my friend. Okay, let me try. I need to do the filtering and then I see whether we get any confirmation or not. Okay, if you are looking at expanding, right? It failed. It failed. Criteria failed. Wait, I might be wrong. One more. No, criteria pass. Criteria pass. Oh, fantastic. Brother, good job. If we might be able to take this trade though. Oh, good job, good job. Really, really good job. Very, very nice. Even in the on the daily, right, if you were to put on the trend lines, all that is fantastic, brother. Hey, it's nice. It's really, really nice. I like it. Okay, earnings still far away. I got margin or not? Let me see first, okay? Damn, potato. Yeah, you need to gain some confidence lah. Then after that, but it's really really nice. If you look at my charts where I put my trend lines all that, right? I think you can find very very good confluence. Really really good. Nice, good job, brother. Really really good job. Fantastic. There's way too much confluence already. It should be quite a good trade. Well, I'm really impressed though. I'm impressed with the way you go and look at wave structures or that. Fantastic. Really, this is another good one. I remember you also sent before one that is very very good. Perfect. You will make me feel like removing some position. Go and take this. Okay, how is Spy doing first? Hello, Cherry. Let me see Spy. Spy is going up. Yes, yes. 1 month is not a long time. After that, start to make money. Yes, Fig is dropping. Currently Fig I'm not no Figma, I'm not interested in it. I will need to wait until the hype is totally over. Then I will start to look into it. Okay, Spy is going up a little bit. Let me see, what can I manage? It looks really nice though. I like it. Okay, I will set alarm for Chewy. When I see a confirmation, we can all take the trades together. There's some strength coming into the market now. Is there any good news? Oh, Apple plans to increase its investment in the United States by around 100 billion. Oh, Snap. Snap also plunged. Let's see Snap. For yo. Wow. Yeah, Snap has not been a very good instrument for me. The first time I remember I traded it, it stopped me out. After that, the second time, I think this is my second time trading it. Did we get stopped out? I think we got stopped out. Yeah, we got stopped out. AMD, yeah, Richard. For now, I don't have a setup though. I need more data first. Then I will decide, what to do next. Right here, right now, it can be either direction for me. But I still hope the overall market can go down. That will be the best already. No problem, no problem. Okay, okay. It's actually quite simple. I just need a small impulse. Just now if you drop down to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you don't see the impulse. So if I saw the impulse with a very nice small correction, I will take the trade already. Because right now, it's not sometimes when I will pick the bottoms or that, I do look at the overall market condition. Because just now market, it was coming down, right now going back up. Possibly, it will just chop around here a little bit, and then in the next few days, it might start to dump already. So that's the reason why, I won't try to pick the bottom to buy yet. And then VIX, I'm not too sure how it's going to perform. So we have to monitor. Yeah, these few days, the trades are all like the directions are not extremely clear that type. Yeah, because I have been scanning through like different instruments, a lot of them giving like mixed signals though. Some looks good for short, some looks good for long. Right now it's like very very messy in the overall market. I would prefer, whenever I see something that is uh, more aligned with the overall market direction, that will give me more confidence that possibly we whatever we short or long, it will be much more better. Especially these 2 months. These 2 months is quite standard. Almost every single year, these 2 months the market condition is like that. But of course, we try to do our best and then uh, take only those trades that we understand. If not, can sit out for a little bit, just wait for a few days. Once it's clearer, then we try to position ourselves. Right now, any trades you take is like, I also don't know how to tell you the feeling. I'm also not very confident. Amazon, we are inside already. We are in the long position. I'm just hoping for a little bit of recovery, then most likely I'm out already. Yeah, like I told you right just now, when you PM me, I tell you to be careful, right, for these 2 months. These 2 months, I can tell you, is really, really a very difficult month to trade. Even I myself, right, the market is giving me too much mixed signals already, like ARM looks like it's going down, and then maybe you go to Boeing also looks like it's going down. But then if you go to like those consumer defensive, like McDonald's, it's going up. Then what else? Coca-Cola, Walmart, all the consumer defensive, they are, going up very, very strongly. When the tech, some of them are up, some of them are down. It's too messy, too messy. I like it when, the overall almost like 70%, 80% of the stocks moves together in the same trend. That will be the best already. You see, a firm is going up. Upstart is going down. My God, what is this? Then CCL, not here nor there, but looks like a good shot. LMND going up so strongly. Then PATH not going anywhere. Forget about this stock. Sophie also looks like consolidating for a short. Snow looks like going for a short. Marvel looks like maybe for a short. Zoom, okay, the short is more or less done. VST looks good, but then tomorrow market open earnings, forget it. ASML, it's been a while since I last saw this stock. Let's see. ASML, okay, it's on support right now, but don't know whether will hold or not. Okay, go back. China stocks. So where's all the China stocks? HSI coming down a little by 2, dropping down. Baba still consolidating. PDD, no idea what is it doing. JD possibly might be a good trade in the next few days. Same goes for Futu. TCOM possibly in the next 1 or 2 days also. Yeah, look at SPY. I want to warm me blood. We go back down to the maybe 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Where did market open? Market open right at this. No, this one 8:30. No, 9:30 here. Okay, the green color candle. It opened here. Right now it's here. When it opens, it dump, go back up. Now dump again. My God, there's no direction though. MSTR. I still think downside. I don't think it's ready as of right now. Yeah, but I have no idea when it will stop. Because even right now, Bitcoin don't gives me that confidence that it can just fire off from here. Possibly, I think you need to wait for 1 more week. Likely, you should be able to see something coming. A move to going to the trend line coming down before it starts to go. Is quite possibly as well. What's your existing position? Talk about existing position. I tell you something. Yesterday I pressed a wrong stock again. I don't know what happened though. I press. After that, I went to buy. I went to bought Nvidia. Right now is in a little bit of profit. I don't know what did I do, but then luckily I didn't buy a lot. But it's still quite okay. It's still okay. I think it's still okay for this account. Only one account, the public account. Only the public account. There's Nvidia inside. I don't know what did I do. I told. Then after that, I go and press something, press. After that, I went to buy NVIDIA. Yeah, so currently the positions I have, right? Uh MU, JPM, Neo, TC, TSM, Amazon, and NVIDIA. By right, we shouldn't have NVIDIA. But I myself, I also, sold that QCOM, but it was a very, very small size. I think it's really negligible that type. I think this is like 0.1% of my account. Yeah, so I don't even, bother sending into the group chat. It's too small already. Mr. Pong, currently AMD, I also don't have a setup. I don't have a setup for now. I need to wait. Right now, the market is, especially today, I think today is, it's not very clear to me. I can't tell where's the direction. I need more data first. But I have a plan. I have a plan. The next market update video, I will update you guys and then give you guides, right? How to buy NVIDIA and AMD. Yeah, because I have a plan to DCA them if they were to drop. Then you just need to hold for a few months. Likely you'll make quite a lot of money from your long-term investment. Yeah, so far today really, I don't know what the market is doing though. Okay, guys, I will use the washroom. I come back shortly, okay? See you shortly. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I just received message from some of the friends, some of the people inside the Signal group. They told me, they went into Figma. Figma. Yes, Rick, today go so early. I think today I sit down here quite early because I was trying to figure out, where likely the market is going. Yeah, so some of them they entered Figma already. Just send me a text and let me know. Are you interested to enter or not? It will be a very, very small trade for me though. Yeah, they suddenly say, Figma jump. Let me see, 15 minutes. Okay lah, I will enter possibly, a small size using my cash account. Then after that, yeah, I will enter a very small size lah. This one the cash position, guys. No margin, Don't use your margin to trade, okay? Because even if a cash position, if it drops to maybe 676, I get out already. I'm not interested in holding it for a long time. Okay. 6th of August. Hey, wrong message, wrong. Hey. Okay, I'm in. Nice. Nice. Oyo. Oh, so many texts. Okay, wait. TSM single-handedly carrying my portfolio. Nice. Okay, TSM very good profit. Super nice. Yeah, I like TSM. TSM is the best one, I think. Yeah, the rest, we wait. Okay, XPXI, nice. Wow, Rick, you still on MRT? Okay. How come today, so late though? Hey, hello, my friend from India, from YouTube. Okay, hello, nice to see you from India. Come to TikTok. Okay, TikTok, there's more viewers over here. I think you will enjoy lah. Okay, guys, if you all are interested in joining the course, let me know. Drop me a WhatsApp text. Then I can send you some info and then you can read about it. If you like it, you can join us. Okay, it's a very, very fun group. The people inside, a lot of them, they play Mobile Legend also. So whenever I finish live stream, they will go and play Mobile Legend. Then you can join them as well. Okay, most importantly, coming here is that, every single month we try to make at least 5% a month. So if you compound every single month, you'll be making at least about 80% in one whole year. So this is what we do. Same theory as MU. You went to play badminton. Okay, wow, healthy, huh? My God. Wow, nice lah. Fantastic AMT. Fantastic. Damo. Okay, and then the next market update video, I give you all, ideas how to DCA into AMD and NVIDIA. Because I need to do some calculations and then I want to prep you for it. Because I think, if the overall market were to tank, I will go big, okay? I will go big. The cash account, not the cash account, the public account, I will also go big. Even though it's a margin account, I'll go and calculate, like how much excess liquidity or that I can tank until some ridiculous amount. Yes, I'm of course when the market tank, I'm happy, man. Because my goal is to make the public account double by end of this year. So in order to do that, the market needs to tank. Without tanking, it will be quite difficult though. Go big is like how? I need to calculate first. I can't really tell you right now. I need to calculate to the cents, and then I need to analyze where likely the market will go through, all that, and then from there I will start to buy positions. Actually, I have a few friends, during the April period when they tank, they really go and borrow money, and then after they go and invest. They are so happy right now. They are actually inside the Signal group. They are very, very happy. Just now, I was in the toilet, then two of them asked me, "Hey, can buy Figma or not?" Then just tell them I'll do a very, very small size lah. Yeah, so I myself, I also went to buy Figma. Yeah, cash account, nothing to worry. Oh yes, talking about Figma, I also don't want to stuck inside for too long. If it drops to about this low, I think I'm out lah. I'll just exit everything. So I need to set alarm. About 76, I will just exit everything. Your house, my house sell already also don't make a lot. I just buy not long ago. Like one year plus. Yeah, even I sell right now, got seller stamp duty though. And now need to wait for the 4th year to be able to sell it. DAL from... Okay lah, market looks good. Sophie, great buy. Bro, I think Sophie, if I'm not wrong, I think should be shorting instead of buy, right? Yeah, I think you look for shorts instead lah, bro. All I can tell you is that these 2 months try to be a bit more careful. Okay, market might not perform so well. For the past 11 years I have been trading, I can tell you August and September, they are usually very difficult months to trade. Extremely difficult. So difficult that sometimes, these 2 months, I feel like just, buy an air ticket, fly off for 1 or 2 months, don't look at the market, come back in October. It's really bad that time. You see, Palantir, nothing to worry. After earnings, market not doing well, but some stocks, they are still doing well. I'm still in my long-term investment in Palantir though. Now, more than 100% ROI already. Wow, nice. Oh, how much already? Let me see. Okay, I bought at 86. So 86 is somewhere here. 86. Where's 86? Okay, somewhere here. Right now, 106% already. Okay, fantastic. Why I never go in? I got no margin. You got margin or not? I got no more margin. And yesterday I did one mistake again. Yeah, it was nice. Hazel, she sent it to me. It was nice. It was really, really nice. But I ran out of margin. Then I did one mistake also. Yeah, because right now, I got too many accounts to manage already. Imagine I manage my own account, my long-term investment account, my wife's account, my children's account, my daughter's account, and then I still got that public account, about 5 account right now. It's really a lot, man. I switched here and there until I also confused. Then yesterday, on the public account, by right, I should be shorting something, but I don't know what happened, right? I went to buy NVIDIA. It's in slight profit right now, but not a lot. So just, I just leave it there. Give you password. Haha. My one all need the 2FA though. Every single time I log in needs the 2FA. Is damn irritating. Yeah, I'm also trying to grow my daughter's account. Then see how much I can grow it to. Oh, by the way, someone actually asked me, DM me on TikTok, asked me like, how did I open a joint account with my daughter when she's not 18 years old? It's not a joint account. If you want to, buy VOO or buy some index for your children's, right? As long as your children they are under 18 years old, you need to go to a law firm or anyone that ask them to draft a trust deed. After your trust deed is done already, submit your trust deed to your broker, and then right, that's when they will you can open your somehow like a joint account, but it's under trust. So by the time, right, when your children hits 18 years old, right, the account automatically belongs to them. But then, of course, if you want to manage the way they withdraw the money, all that, you can create a even stronger trust deed. Okay, you can do something like, maybe 25 years old, they can get to withdraw 100,000, 35 years old, don't know how much, 45 years old, how much, and 55, how much. You can draft all this, can speak to a lawyer, and then they'll be able to do it for you. Yeah, it's not a joint account, it's a trust account. Okay, okay, nice. Hazel, your NXPI looks good. Looks good. No. Long Apple. No. Apple, I won't recommend. The one somehow like buy the rumors, maybe possibly sell the news though. Yeah, wait. This PPL is wrong again. One moment. PPL, let me see. Yes, can. This one looks good. But I also got no margin. If you got margin, you go ahead. Yeah, guys, can inform, the rest of the students. They can take together with you. I really got no margin. Kosong, my friend. I max out every single thing. Yeah, it's really negligible. Right now, yeah, I can only buy 430 shares. It's like too little lah. It's okay lah. Yep, you can take. Definitely go ahead. It looks fantastic, man. Let me try. If I try to buy, yeah, it's really negligible. Y'all can go and calculate the stop loss or that. How about AMD? AMD, I'm still waiting for more downside. Right now, I'm totally not interested in longs or shorts for AMD. I'm still waiting. If I do get a nice opportunity to short, I will take that shot. Yeah, that's why you see right now I buy stocks so that it takes very long. Last time was better without the public account, because I use Momo for trading. I'm so used to Momo right now. Then after I shift all my funds to interactive broker, I'm still not very used to interactive broker. Oh, SMCI. SMCI. Sorry, what? Suddenly there's a lot of people on live stream. Okay, guys, come and join my course, okay? You all will make a lot of money. SMCI, thanking, okay? Yep, if you do get an opportunity, I will advise to short. I will advise to short. Go for shorts. This stock is, the hype is no longer there anymore. Really not there now. And then this company got a lot of funny stuff. They got delisted once, and then a few months ago, almost got delisted again. Still drop now. Still is what ticker We can buy still meh? Still. As you are saying that it's still dropping, or you are looking at the commodity steel. That's weird though. I don't think we have steel, right? Steel USD. Don't have. I think you are talking about steel dropping. Steep drop. Okay. Yeah, steep drop. This SMCI is gone already. The moment it was listed, listed into S&P 500, and then after they do the stock split and everything, it's totally gone now. The hype was back then, in early 2024. After that, it's totally gone case already. So if you have a nice opportunity to short, try to short. Okay. Nice discussion there. Very, very nice. Okay, this is good. You all discuss, and then, sometimes I run out of margin myself. If you all still have margin, can go ahead and take those trades. Don't have to wait for me. No, Tesla is strong. Yeah, Hazel Apple is going up quite strongly because today there's a news saying that iPhone 17 is going to launch on 9th of September. So about 1 more month to go. Yeah, 1 more month to go. So everyone, you're interested in iPhone 17. Time to change a new phone. Yours is long term. Okay. For me, yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while since I last did a long-term investment in Apple. I think the last time I did possibly maybe 2023 or either early 2024, and that is more or less about it already. Yes, this Apple ding ding dong dong. Hey, okay, it's actually good. It's actually good. The more it ding ding dong dong around this area, right? Likely, the correction might be done already, and it can fire off. Yeah, this one looks good. Looks good. It's aggressive today. Okay, making good money. Very, very good. Yes, buy the rumor, sell the news. Correct. You see, today the whole day market is, up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't even know what's the correct direction though. PANW, PayPal. Yeah, I think, our positions, I will just let it run for a while. And then we see how the market is doing before we make a decision whether we want to exit them or not. So far, a lot of them are doing quite well. The only one that's not here nor there is JPM. Not bad, not bad. Yes. Yeah, Amazon just for the relief rally. Then after that, we see what it does. If not much strength coming in, we just book whatever we can. 1:1, 1:2, 1:3. Just take anything, take it off, and then we see what it does. Hey, by the way, guys, I ask you, the market update video. What do you all think of it? Is it beneficial, or you all want something even more in depth? Because every single time I make a video, after a few days, I go and replay, and I go and listen to see whether can improve further or not. TSM can definitely can move stop loss, no problem, Rick. Can lah, can. This one is good. This one is good. I think we need to give it a bit of room to breathe. TSM. Okay lah, we just place it at, I think at break even will do. Just put it at break even. Yeah, I do think that we need to give it a bit of room. Because SPY is also like, up and down, don't know what is it doing. Okay lah, just put at 235.5 will do. Nice trade lah, nice trade. Very, very nice. Fantastic. And next week, we got the semiconductor tariff news. They're going to implement as soon as next week. So, hopefully that news can plunge all the semiconductor down even more. But I think likely maybe not much of a movement. By the time, if market is not performing well, by the time I think it has already moved down quite a lot. And Donald Trump also announced already, the first phase maybe is about 150%. The second phase is 250%. But his style. By the time next week when he announced, possibly he only increased 20%, 30% instead of the 150% or 250% that he mentioned. So possibly by then also all the semiconductors might start to go up again. Okay, SPY is strong. Let's take a look at FinVis. Oh, healthcare is very red today. Healthcare is extremely red. Okay, the weekly video is okay. Okay, can. Hazel, haven't even start watching. Okay lah. Yeah, I think you can watch this one. This one will be better because the next one might be, very short one only. Usually it's the start of the month. I do something a little bit longer, more in depth, and then so that you can plan for the whole month or including the next month, so you know what to do. The in between the month videos, if there's not much of a changes from the very, very first initial video, normally it will be quite a short one. Why AMD? Oh, the future guidance is not good. Just now I read something about there was something about the future guidance, which is not good. That's why AMD dumped quite a lot. Yeah, over here they didn't state. They only say all the good thing only. They only talk about all the good stuff. Let's see. Nope, this news is like waste of time. Yeah, I can't remember though. What was it? Yeah, there's too much news already. You can go and find, and after that, look at initially when he first announced the earnings. They do, state that what is this? Okay, nothing here. Your favorite company, also one of my favorite company. I like it so much. Yeah, EMD has been very good for me for the past don't know how many years now. I like it. Yeah, it depends on yourself though, Mr. Pong. Yeah, because if you are doing long-term investment, you can definitely DCA unless you're doing trading. Trading, I will be more careful. But just be careful. Next week, Donald Trump is going to announce the tariff on semiconductors. And then, but I think he will flip prata lah. I don't think he will impose 150%. I think he, using a scare tactic or something, he always does that. Yeah, so maybe possibly also, but we don't know. That's the thing, we don't know whether will he still do the same like previously. In the past few history, he talked about sweeping tariff and everything, but then he flipped prata in the end, lower the tariff by so much, right? But we don't know whether this time around he will also lower or not. If suddenly he say, 250%, GG for the market, GG for all the semiconductors. Yes, taco. That's the thing, we don't know. We right now, just speculating. So just be on the safer side lah. Can tank or not all the stocks? Tank please. Drop. Don't wait liao. Just drop. I don't want it to go up anymore. But hey, it's nice the FVG there. I also want the market to tank. Don't go up anymore, just tank. Yeah, AMD, yesterday we were also talking about it, right? Hey, hello, Braveheart. Nice to see you. Yeah, this FVG around this area, it was nice. Solid, man. Currently, do we have any more nice zone? Okay, I think I will wait for a little bit before I draw something. Weekly, fantastic lah. This AMD looks beautiful though. Yes, I also want all the stocks to tank. Oh. Keep going up like that, make me scared though. You're going a larger size also cannot. Like, feels very, very jam. But not bad. Google holding up really well. Look at Google. It's not tanking at all. How about Meta? Meta also holding up well. Nice. Oracle coming down. You still have margin or not? Do you still have margin? Or you use up everything else? AMAT looks fantastic. QCOM also not bad. Still have Rick. How come you still have I use up every single cent. I also 1%. Oh, cannot be why Hazel is because she exit her trade. Oh, okay, I know why. Because Rick, you're using interactive broker. That's why you still have margin. You want lobang Any lobang? Let me see. Okay, where did I stop? I stopped somewhere here. FTNT nothing. Really, Hazel? You buy in April, sell in August? Really? Nice. Very, very nice. Not bad, You also understand the market cycle. Smart. Very, very smart. DDOG also nothing. Yeah, Rick, I think you can try Oracle. I think Oracle so far is one of the best that I have seen already. Yes, Hazel is also very experienced. Oracle is your best. I think Oracle went up quite a lot though. Oracle it has been super duper strong if you compare to those Magnificent Seven. You want to buy in September again? Okay. Open can short or not? You might want to give this a try. It means earnings. It looks quite good though, open. AI, nothing. Oh, this core weave until now still tanking. My god, my garbage. I very scared. Okay, okay. Maybe you can try Oracle. So far, I think Oracle looks good. This circle is not coming back anymore. Down 15%, 50% already. Earnings is coming next Tuesday. Yes, yes. You wait for breakout better. T+2 is the settlement thing. Your funds will only come back to you two days later, 2 trading days later, something like that. You're more than 25k. What do you mean by that? Do you have a screenshot? You want to send in? Is I less than? Oh, I'm not too sure. Below 25k, there's this type of rule, is it? I don't know. I don't know. Is there such rule for Interactive Broker? Yeah, my account never went below 30,000 before. So every single account that I started never ever went below 30,000. My smallest account is 30,000. Yeah, you just ask ChatGPT. It gives you an answer instantly. Huh? Yeah, the T+2 is irritating. I know. And somehow, if I'm not wrong, weekend they don't. If I'm not wrong, weekend they don't calculate as a trading day. So let's say, for example, Friday you exit, you need to wait until I think Tuesday or Wednesday before your money come back. Okay. Yeah, I read about that before. Oh, no, less than 25. I thought even if your money is more than that, this will still be there, right? Isn't it? Does it only affect for accounts smaller than 25k? I think Momo gives me back instantly or not. I also not too sure. I never checked though. Let me see. I think Momo hold that. Okay, Yes, yes, Momo, right? Don't care whether you are a large account or not. I remember Momo has it. Yeah, Momo is T+1 for US stocks. But an interactive broker have me? How about IBKR? Oh, change to T+1 already. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think IB. Yeah, everyone. It doesn't matter your account is large or small. So for US is T+1. Oh, no wonder right now you don't really feel it anymore. I also don't know when they change it though. Yeah, when did they change? Is it a recent thing or what? Oh, last year only. Last year May. No wonder. I keep thinking it's also T+2. How come got T+1? Oh, last year May. You want to move funds to? No. Uh, no. Hazel, Momo also T+1. Also T+1. Same. It's the same thing. You go to interactive broker, it's also the same thing. Yes, Momo, the downside is margin is very, very little. That's the downside of Momo. What's the upside? Super user friendly, and Momo got this function, right? In an event, pre-market crash or something, right? You have this function, one click, you exit all your positions one shot, all on market order. So you don't have, to close one position one by one. Yes, Momo is a nice platform. It's easy to read, super modern. But then interactive broker is like the platform like a bit outdated. God, Hazel got this button. Use Momo for so long you don't know. Okay, I tell you what, you go to your accounts, right? Go to your account tab, accounts tab. After that, can you see the positions? They will tell you how many positions you have, right? And then beside there's this trade button. Okay. And right beside it, in the middle of the trade button and the settings button, right? You click on that one. It's called batch closing. Can you see that? If you see that, let me know. The moment you click on that, it can take everything one shot close all your positions. That's the most fantastic part I like about Momo. I think interactive broker don't have this function. I tried searching up and down. Yeah, it's a dangerous button, but then this is usually how I manually close my position. I take partial profit out that I use that one to close. You just uncheck everything, then just key in the amount of shares that you want to close, then just check it and then click next. Straight away, just do a market order. Okay, don't worry, there's two steps. So when you click next, right, they will ask you whether you want a market order or limit order before it conforms, to key in the order for you. It's fantastic lah. Pre-market, sometimes got suddenly very bad news, so that you just click a button, then select limit order, one shot you exit everything. Yeah, but when you go to interactive broker, I think Hazel, you know how to control your risk lah. Yeah, but just be a little bit more careful. Make sure your excess liquidity don't drop below zero. Because if it drops below zero, The next day, Interactive Broker will liquidate some of your positions. If not, they'll ask you to top up first. I think they give you 1 day or something. If you don't top up, right, the next day they liquidate it. That's why normally when you see, people use Interactive Broker, they can hold 10 over positions up to maybe about 20 positions in one account. You come to Moa, you can hold 10 positions are very good already. It's the same thing. The limit and market order is universal between most brokers. So limit, right? Whenever you do trading outside of regular trading hours, which is your 9:30 p.m. to 4 a.m. Singapore time, right? Outside of these hours, right, you need to use limit orders. If not, your orders won't be triggered. But then, during the regular trading hour, you can use both. Limit order lets you, set the price that you want to close or buy at. Then market order is it just trigger you at the next best price or next available price. Oh, Hazel, how long have you been using Momo? How come you don't know that function? Initially I also don't know how to use Momo. Then I can't remember what did I do. Maybe I use ChatGPT or something. Every time I use a new broker, right, I like to screenshot the order tabs and then I send it to ChatGPT and I ask them, right, what is all this function about? So they just summarize the whole thing for me. Then instantly, within a short few days, I start to understand how to use the broker already. Oh, you never explore? Okay. Good function, good function. That one is the best one. Yeah, usually the lazy people are very smart. Lazy people all come and do trading. Additional source of income. Which job, is so enjoyable. You sit here, market go up, you happy. Market go down, you also happy. Then, nobody next at you. Everything OT. I still stuck at same video. How come? No motivation. Tired is it? Your husband nag at you. Why? Wow. This one cannot liao. This one cannot liao. You also need to, faster finish the video and then you can be independent already. Then after you don't need me anymore. Okay, go and spend more time with him. Go and enjoy. Go and do some bit exercise. Oracle. Yeah, I actually don't have confirmation. It's a high risk, high reward trade. I would say, if you were to take this trade, let me see 5 minutes. Okay, maybe we can station on the 5 minutes. I try to help you to monitor whether, you get any good setups or not. AMAT. Actually, just now AMAT was nice though. Google. Oh, Rick, you got found any setups that you like or not? If you do, let me know. So maybe possibly, right? I can I can help you to look. Uber. Uber, oh, earnings. It's because of earnings. No worries, Rick. Tesla, I got plans to enter again. So don't worry. Okay, the target is far away. Lah. We can definitely get very, very good trades. Yeah, beat earnings, but then, most importantly, the earnings when, huh? Oh, today when market open. Okay, so should be quite easy to find that news. Okay, possibly, right, can be due to these two reasons. Yeah, possibly, because Uber, the business model is not to own any vehicles, right? And then there was this part where I said, Uber stock dip on what lucid deals. This part. So possibly because of this reason. And then it starts to drop. The other one is, yeah, something about, robot taxi, whether it's a threat or opportunity for the dominant ride hauling player. So either one of it, cause it to drop. Yes, Apple is not stopping. Damn strong. But too bad for me lah. I got no opportunity in Apple liao. Gone already. BBY. BBY. BBY I think still quite a long time though. Yeah, it's still in this consolidation, but I think you can look for upside. It looks good for upside. Yep, definitely up. But you definitely need to wait for quite a while. I think at least today is Wednesday. I think likely next week then it will be ready. If not earliest about Friday. Before you can start to look into buy. Then Apple. Yes, it's not stopping. Congratulations, Hazel. Too bad. I'm not in it. SPY going up, SPY going up. My god. How's our position? Let's see. Our position is good leh. Steady lah. Nothing to be afraid of. Congratulations. Okay, Golden Child, are you totally brand new to trading? If you are, I would recommend that you just go to, okay, brand new, brand new. Uh, okay, what I can recommend is that you go to YouTube, right? And then you just type stock stock trading beginner. Then after that, let me zoom in for you. You just type stock trading beginner and then go and find this guy. His name is called Ryan, go and look at his video. So after, if you are done with that, uh, if you want to scale to another level, you want to make money in the market, at least minimally roughly about 5% a month to about 20%, come and join me. Join my course. Okay, I'll give you mentorship for 2 years. So these 2 years, you'll be like the students here, whenever you need help from a mentor or something, just come to live stream. And then, because a lot of times, when I'm looking to the left side of my screen, I'm actually answering all the students' questions. And then, yep, this is the support that I can give it to you lah. I do this full time, so I live stream every single day, at least for about 2 hours. And if you need Q&A or that, just let me know. Even one-to-one consultation is unlimited lah for these 2 years. Yeah, if you want to know, right, how fast I reply or something, right? I don't know, this one's sensitive for now. Okay, let me see, huh? Okay, at least most of the things looks. Yeah, I think it's not sensitive. Yeah, I can show it to you lah. So one of the student asked me on 4th of August, 7:55 p.m. asked me can review it or not. I tell him 7:54. I say yes. Then I ask him want to go into a live room or not. Then he said okay. Then we go in now. So within from 7:53 all the way until 7:56, we are inside the live room already. So we are doing like reviewing of trades or that. Yeah, so this is what I can do for you. I have a lot of time lah. So morning, afternoon, night, no issue. Weekend, Saturday, Sunday, just let me know. Okay? So this is my promise, to all the students. Don't care how big my group gets, how many students are there. If I know that, I'm overwhelmed or that, I will definitely stop enrollment. That's why you see most of them, they scale quite fast. 2 weeks, within I think 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a lot of them can find extremely good trades. Yes, sometimes we have romantic time lah. Bromance, okay? Hey, my God. Why like that? My computer is lagging again every single time I go to, right, the second monitor, come back, it lags. Hiya. Actually, my new monitor came out, but then I don't have my monitor arm is too short, and then the display port cable is also too short. So I ordered another one. Jam, not loading anymore. Okay, we have to do this now. One moment. What broker? Broker you can decide. For me, myself, I use Moomoo and Interactive Broker. So for you, you can decide what kind of broker you want to use. Hey, super duper laggy. Totally jam now. Come on. Okay, it's back. For a beginner, right, I would advise using Moomoo. Moomoo is a nice platform. It's fantastic, my friend. The moment you use Moomoo, every other broker looks like shit to you, really. Not bad, not bad. Netflix finally showing some sort of strength. Yes, I also, the moment I use uh Momo, right? No going back. I love Momo so much though. Really, it's quite disappointing for me that I shift my funds over. And then these few days, I started using Interactive Broker again, and then I'm like, should I just shift everything back to Momo? But if I shift back again, I'm going to pay a lot of fees though. Yeah, maybe I'll just stay at Interactive Broker maybe for 6 months or something. Try to make a little bit of money. Then after that, at least I can pay for the fees. Yeah, sorry, that day, when we were doing the Q&A with Rick, I also forgot to ask him, like, he's okay for others to join or not. Then I also forget to ask you guys whether you all want to come in. Yeah, my bad, my bad. The next Q&A, we'll gather all the students and then we do it together. Oh, okay, okay. Richard, because I prefer to, not show my whole portfolio. So I shifted around 90 lah, 90% of my funds to Interactive Broker. So I leave 100,000 on Momo as the public account so that I can do video, post the performance about the account to the public to view. Then that way maybe I will get more and more trust from people. Then after people will join my course. Yeah, I prefer to be more low profile lah. I think 100,000 is reasonable, right? Not too big, not too small. So can see the seriousness over there. So I'll just that account I don't have any plans to withdraw, no top up, no nothing. So the account is like a public account that I will just leave it there maybe for 5 years, 7 years. As long as I'm still doing this, I'll just leave the account there. Momo cannot. Momo cannot have multiple account, but Interactive Broker can. Interactive Broker, I got so much account. Yeah, because Momo is still considered fairly new, so there are still some things they are still lacking. Like simple things, having multiple account under one name, they don't allow. And when you want to buy Bitcoin, you still need to open another crypto account under Momo. Is funny lah. It's unlike, Interactive Broker, one account can do everything. Hey, why got Indian song again? Next. Hey, random is not here. Where did random go though? Okay, bro, I'm using both Momo and Interactive Broker. If you want something that's very user-friendly, go for Momo. And then if you want something that has more margin for you to trade, provided you know what you're doing, go with Interactive Broker. Okay, because Richard, it's very simple. You see, I myself personally, right, I already have 2 accounts for myself. One is a margin account, one is a cash account, because I do both trading and investment. Okay, so personally, I myself, I already got 2 accounts. Then you imagine my daughter, like I invest for her, I buy stocks, I buy VOO for her. So I also need another trust account for her. Then after that, I'm also managing my wife's account. So, I need to open one more for her. So that one is a joint account. So total Interactive Broker, I got 4 accounts. Then right now, Momo, I still got one more account. This is the public account. But then I have plans. I have plans. Likely, what I think I will do, right, is that I will set up one more account, and then that one is for long-term investment. So that one is also a public account. I think I will start another 100,000 or so. Okay, before you open a trust account, right? If you have children, before you do that, you need to engage your lawyer. Okay, go and find a lawyer that do trust deed. Okay, and then you can draft a very simple trust deed. It's usually not very expensive, about 2,000 plus. You can get it done, unless your trust deed you want a lot of terms and condition or special terms, for your children. That's when it starts to get a little bit more expensive. Once you get the trust deed, go back to a broker, tell them you want to open a trust account. Okay, and then when you open a trust account, they'll ask you to furnish the trust deed. Once you furnish already, right, but you need to understand, the moment you open a trust account, right, that account automatically becomes your children's account when they turn 18 or 21, depending on the age that you set. So you are the trustee, your children is the beneficiary. Okay, so that's how you open a trust account. Because I'm so used to calling it, joint account. Then after that, someone asked me. Then after that, asked me how you open a joint account. And I said, I forget you need a trust deed. Yeah, because I get it done for my daughter really fast. I think when she was born, within the first 2 weeks, the trust deed is done already. So I settled everything for her within the first 2 weeks. And I can show you why people with children, why you should definitely do that. Okay, let me show you this compound interest calculator, and this is what I did for my daughter. Okay, it's not a huge amount or anything. I just started with 888, and then annual interest, right? You just put 10% flat, and then you do a calculation for 18 years. Okay, so additional deposit, I do 200 for her every single month, and then you just click on calculate. The moment you click on calculate, right, you see by the time she's 18 years old, right, she already have about 173,000. And then you just imagine this 173,000, you let it roll for how many more years? 37 years, is it? Uh, two, yes, 37 years. Just imagine, you just tell your children, put the money inside, don't touch it. Okay, use it as your retirement funds. And after that, they don't even need to do any deposit any longer. So 173,000, annual growth roughly about 10%. And then for another 33 years, look at that figure. For 173,000, your children, right, by the time they hit 55, they have roughly about 6.9 million. Okay, is this enough for your children to retire? Definitely, right? So this is something that I can plan for my children. No. My trust account, it doesn't do trading, but then it only does a long-term investment. So sometimes I buy stocks, sometimes I buy VOO, but most of them is VOO. So VOO average return every year is 10% lah. Yeah, it's not guaranteed, but then over, if you have time, right, 10 years, 20 years, more or less is around there lah. It's around there. Yeah, if you don't need to trust what I say, but then you can go and look at the S&P past 100 history. Past 100 years history is about 10% averagely. But then our last 15 years, right, the average gain is about 15%. But I don't consider that because the time frame is a little bit short. So I just calculate based on the past 100 years. So as long as you have time to hold, it's definitely doable. Yes, the Vanguard. Yes, correct. And then the expense ratio is very, very low. It's only 0.03%. No. You don't have to actively manage it. You just, uh, every single month, sometimes what I do is that I save up the money every 2-3 months. I just put into VOO. I don't even care whether, it's going up or it's going down. I will just, keep buying and buying and buying. Yes, can buy VOO. You don't put like long or short. potato, how I track, I just look at my broker. Lor. I open up my broker. Uh, I will know what I do for that position. But sometimes because you have long and short together at the same time, right? Sometimes I also get a little bit more confused. But normally I don't look at my broker. I just look at the chart. I look at the chart and then more or less I already know, like which direction I'm going for. So I don't write down or anything. US is going down. Chanel, I do expect, August, September, usually they are the worst months to trade lah. So it can be quite difficult. Yeah, I do that. I do think that there will be more corrections coming in. Yes, Mr. Pong, something like that. So I will just keep buying and buying and buying until she's like about 18 years old. So when she's 18, I will just tell her, this account belongs to you. And then you see how you want to spend your money. Then after that, I will show her the image that I show it to you guys. I'll tell her, if you save until 45 years old, 55 years old, this is the amount of money that you will get lah. But then of course, when she starts to grow up in her teenage years, all that, you also have to see if she's like those, very naughty one, those like alien like that, got no brain, super stupid that type, then okay, I will redo the whole trust deed. I will redo restriction. Maybe, 25 years old, she can take out a certain amount, 35 certain amount, 45 certain amount, 55 certain amount. So I don't mind spending 10,000, 20,000 just to get a very, very powerful trust deed. So these are things that I can't tell. I don't know whether when she grows up, she's a smart girl or not. What she's she's some like stupid girl. Then after that, boyfriend asks her for money to buy car, all that. She go and give the boyfriend. Cannot be right. So you have to assess yourself lah. Yeah, although she's my daughter, but I won't be here to take care of her forever, my friend. Really. So you have to put all this into consideration. Yeah, even she's my daughter, all that, if she's stupid, all that, I also can't trust everything in her, right? It's not that I don't love her or anything, but then I think by now you all can tell lah. You all have seen friends who are filial. Some of them are not. Some of them do very, very stupid things. Even when I was young, I also do a lot of stupid things. Oh, this ever damn strong. Okay, Ken, QCOM. I think nothing to worry lah, nothing to worry. So far, SPY is going up a little, but there's also no confirmation for a buy as well, And then just look at this part. It only broke this low, this low, only broke this low by a little bit only. So I'm still not, not very scared that you'll just fire off from here. Nothing changes. You want to short QCOM, is it? If you are talking about QCOM short, right, I actually do hope that it can consolidate a little bit more. That will be the best. Yeah, if possibly we can see something here like that, then I think that will be the best scenario to short it. Hello, my friend. Nice to see you again. Yes, no worries, Rick. That's why you say I like to scan a lot of instrument because, although a lot of them might tell you they are going down, but there will be a few that the setup is perfect one. You can read the wave structure so easily one. You don't even need to second guess where it will go or that. That's why I like to scan a lot, and then I just pick out the few that I think is the best, and then I'll just treat it. Hey bro, are you the one who says that you're my army friend or something? Are you the one? I can't remember though. Too many people come here now. The one with the Chinese name. Something about Kuai. Different one. My god, you all remember. You all remember, my friends more than I myself. Actually, I have an idea lah. OXY I don't know whether you're up for speculation or not. I can tell you this is purely speculation, huh? There's no technique at all, but then it's just speculation for earnings tomorrow after market close. No, today after market close earnings. I knew it. Hazel will always be the first one to say that. It's really speculation, so Hazel, just be a little bit more careful. You might want to consider a wider stop loss instead. I think you can consider about 41.5, somewhere around there. And then small risk. Really small risk. Because 41.5, if OXY tank more than 10%, you will be down about 1% plus. But then if it starts to fire off, congratulations, I think easily, right? Possibly, you just wait for a little bit. I think you can make at least about 3%, 4% shouldn't be much of an issue. I'm also thinking I want to, do a small size for speculation or not. It's a high risk trade, guys. It's really a high risk trade. Wouldn't recommend doing that. Normally, I myself, I also don't do it. It's just that I like OXY structure so much. I think in a short few seconds, Hazel will tell me I bought liao. Are you going to buy or not? Yi Kai, his name is Yi Kai. Yes, YK. Okay lah. I think I do it for myself, Just a very small one, just for fun. Alright, guys, don't follow, It's a super duper high risk rate. That's all I can tell you. Because sometimes 10% is the average, but then sometimes it can move in either direction, about 20-25% around there. Okay, done. I look first. Okay lah, guys. Hey guys, I go to the toilet again. I'm so urgent already. Okay, see you shortly. Alright, I'm back again. Yeah, Rick, remember everyone. Then Rick, then the Chinese name one, what about him? What you remember about him? Because I think I have a few like, army friends, and they come to live stream, then they say hello, and then bye bye, they go off. Firm still going up though. Do we need to manage our position or not? Okay, guys, I think I want to. Let me see, let me see. Okay, I'll set an alarm for MU. Hey, Rick, Hazel is asking you something. Ask you what's the takeaway from the review session. She also want to learn something. Is Rick still here? Oh, he's gone now. Oh, Rick is still here. He's still here. Confirm showering. He wants to prepare early so that later he can play ML. Really, today the market is quite mixed though. Oh, the dollar index is also coming down a little bit. Yeah, guys, if you all haven't changed your money into USD, right, can try, opening up a UOB account. So currently UOB is offering no fees for any exchange rate. I think SGD to USD there's no fees, but then the rest of the currencies I didn't go and check. I also don't know when the promotion will last till, so if you want, can do it quick. Okay, full two. Is my alarm still there or not? Let's see. Save. Baba. Baba, I also want to set an alarm. Okay, guys, I will stream until 12 a.m. If y'all have any questions, come, go ahead and ask. Ah, yeah, back. Okay, Hazel asked you, about the review session with me. He wants to know how's the review session. What do you learn? How's your experience? Sum up in one sentence. Nice. Nice summary. Very, very nice. I like it. Thoughts on Marvel. Come, Rick, send Hazel all the examples. You're up already, so she can learn. Marvel is a trendline support, but not too sure about the direction as of right now though. Wait for a little bit. I think it will be much clearer whether you should long or short. Yeah, whenever the structures are not very clear, it's best to wait. Because if you don't wait, right, it will be a little bit like the review session already. So waiting is always good. Sometimes you just fire off then forget about it. Go and find the next stock. Yeah, because we have like hundreds of watch lists. So if the market are moving together in the same trend, likely you'll be able to find opportunity somewhere else. Okay, Rick, no issues. You can type. Good job, Rick. Very, very good job. Lucas. Yes, what you want to short? Nice job, Rick. Very, very nice. Good job. You remember all the rules already. Fantastic, brother. Amazing. No support lines, wait. King. Huh? What thing no support lines? What do you mean? You mean the horizontal lines? This one? Is it this? Oh, I use them lah. I use them, but Normally you don't see them on my charts lah. Yeah, even I use like the flip retracement, I use a lot of indicators, but then you don't see me opening because I have back tested so much that I don't need them to be on my charts. I already more or less know, where likely the lines will be at. Yeah, so you rarely, you see a lot of the EMAs lah, the horizontal lines on my charts. I really don't need them. Wow, the structures uh, wow, I also don't know which video though. Wait no, wrong. Um, let me see. Which structure? Wow, which video where I talk about the structures? Uh, yeah, Hazel, I think likely, right? The very last section here, right? Here, the videos inside here, I think I re-mentioned them again. If I'm not wrong, but then how to identify, structure being different from, those that we can take a trade. Let me see her. Yeah, I think it's towards the end of the okay, I think initially I mentioned once, then after that, the behind parts of the lesson I mentioned again. Yeah, and also possibly is here also the price action strategy also possibly, might be somewhere here. Um, Sell TP. Yeah, I think somewhere here I mentioned. Wait, this one. I think this one. Lesson 12 for price action strategy. If I'm not wrong, here I also mentioned once. Then after that, towards the end of the lessons for Elo Wave, I mentioned again. Yeah, I don't miss out all these. Okay, the last one is really important. This one teach you how to forecast better. I show you a lot of examples and then I give you my whole thought process. And then I think taking trades with EW possibly, maybe I also mention again. Yeah, Lucas, when you backtest your strategy enough, you will be able to do that. I showed my students a lot of times already. Now even the flip extension, all that, more or less, I just draw one line on the charts. Is quite close. It's quite close. Like your durian seller, they sell you durian for many years. The moment they pick up a certain durian, they can tell you roughly how many kg is that. It's the same thing for trading. Okay, guys, 12 a.m. liao. Time to go non. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to the live stream. I will see you tomorrow. And if you're interested in the course, drop me a WhatsApp text, okay? I will send you a lot of information. You go and read about it. If you like it, join us, my friends. Okay. Uh, as always, thank you so much for coming. Take care. Good night. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.